guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you two lights review. One is LED string light and the other is solar light. So let's open this light. These are the LED light. We'll put out and I will show you how it works. Planning to put the lights over here in my patio. So let's see. I'll put all over across the patio. So these are like a pretty good quality, you can see. So I just connected the LED string light in the wall. So we'll check it in the night how it looks in the night. So if you press this button, the modes will change. So there is almost like 8 modes, so you can change the modes by pressing this button. After plug it on, you can see I put it in the blinking mode. This is the full light, you can see. Yeah, this is how it lights. Yeah, there is no other light, and it's a pretty big space. Yeah, it lights really well. This is one mode. This is just smoothly just light turn on and off. So this is one mode, and we can change the other mode. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice. I don't have any complaint. I mean, the way they have described it works fine. These are not very heavy, these are lightweight, so that's what I really like. And this is not too hard, like some fiber kind of material. It's not glass, so it's really good. Another mode, just blinking like this way, little bit. It's another mode. This is also another mode. So this is also another mode. It's this. So these are the light modes, you can see. So yeah, this is the constant light mode where all the lights turn on. Side decoration, this lights looks nice and it's waterproof, so you can put also in the outside. And mostly these are not glass, so it's really good. These are fiber. So let's put it somewhere outside and we'll see. So it's a pretty long. You just have to connect these two. So I connected this one and I will put outside and we'll see. In case you guys are using this one, this is the way you can do it.
This is the way it came first, right? So you just have to connect this like this. Just don't turn around too much, just leave it like this. You just have to tighten this one. Once it's tight, now this is sturdy. This is sturdy and this is just smooth on top. That's it.
Yeah, now you can put it in the wall, and they have given the screw, so we can put the screw there. But I don't need to put this one in the wall because the outside wall is concrete, so it's very difficult here to put nails there. But in case you guys were wanted to put it in the wall, this is the way you can put it in the wall, like this way. Yeah, it's really easy. It's not that difficult. Yeah.
Yep. This is how it is connected.
Yeah, this is how it is connected. So this is where I put the light. You can mount it in the wall, but here the outside walls are like concrete walls, so I just put it here just to show you how it works. Yeah, you have to put the solar panel in such a way so that it can get direct sunlight. Here here I think the sun is like really sunny and it gets the direct sunlight, so we'll check in the evening how it works. Here, how the light looks, we can see. It's a motion sensor, so when I come near, it's here, and I go back, it's turned off. Yeah, when I go this side, you can see it's covering pretty big area. When I come this way, it's when I go near, you can see the light turns bright. So yeah, it works fine. You can see the coverage. Yeah, you can see it's covering pretty good area. This is the coverage. When I come near, yeah, the motion sensor is also works fine. Make sure you have to put it in such a way that it gets enough sunlight, and in the first time you have to press the button in the back side to turn on the lights for the first time. Yeah, then it will works fine. The coverage is really good. It's covering enough area. Now it's motion sensor, that's why it's turned off. Now when I go near, it's brightened. So yeah, it works fine. If this video is helpful to you, if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.